Welcome to AIV. First, click on the Marketplace Dashboards folder. Navigate to the Copy Bank Dashboard viz and click the three dots for more options. From the menu, select Version. Here, you can view the version history. Scroll to the right to see the last modified date and the version number. Now, let's create a new version. Select the Bank Dashboard viz again and click the copy icon at the bottom. Choose Marketplace Dashboards as the destination and click Copy. Once copied successfully, return to the Marketplace Dashboards folder. Select the Copy Bank Dashboard viz again and click the three dots to open the version window. You will now see two versions listed. Want to explore more features? Click Know More to visit our official documentation or head to Knowledge Base and Support for any help or assistance.